Hey guys, this is Gina doing a quick review today on this men's black turtleneck. This is a size small. Just full disclosure, this company reached out and provided this, and it will in no way impact my review. So here goes. This is, again, a medium size black turtleneck. It's very stretchy, the material, very warm, and it's actually lined. It's very soft material. Then the turtleneck, it's got it folded down, but it can actually go up if you want to make it a little bit higher. Now, he's going to give you a couple different looks so you can see just how versatile this is. First, he's going to try it on with the jean jacket. So this, as you can see, is paired with a jean jacket. He just has a pair of joggers, but you could wear jeans as well. So it's nice and warm as well, and it's also just pretty fashionable if you just want to go out. So this is with a heavier, thicker jacket, as you can tell. If you went skiing or you just had a night where it's a lot cooler, this would be something that would be good to have underneath a heavier jacket. So in summary, you can put this with really anything, just to give you either something that's dressier or dress it down, or just to be warm and have something that you could go out or skiing. It's going to be super stretchy, super comfortable. So I hope that helps to answer your questions.